Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadia Faruqi Saidu Zafar. I am working in JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Today in this video we are going to discuss about genetic code. First we see key points: definition, codon, properties of genetic code. Definition: the genetic information for protein synthesis should be written by the 4 nitrogen bases of DNA molecule which constitute the information or message for protein synthesis is called as genetic code. Then codon. The sequence of nucleotide or nitrogen base on mRNA that codes for a specific amino acid is known as codon. Codon always read in 3 letters togetherly called as triplet codon. From this image we easily understand the codon. AUG and AAC, these are two codons. Then we see the properties of genetic code. First, genetic code is triplet. The sequence of 3 nitrogen bases of mRNA which codes for a specific amino acid called as triplet codon. As there are 4 nitrogen bases, 64 triplet codons are present which are sufficient for coding 20 different amino acids. Out of 64 triplet codons, 61 codons code 20 amino acids. For example, UUU codes for phenylalanine, CUC, CUU, CUA and CUG all produces leucine. AUG, GUG on mRNA act as initiation codon and UGA, UAG and UAA are non-coding called as termination codon. Next, genetic code is universal. The genetic code is valid for all organisms including bacteria, viruses, plants, animals. Such property of genetic code is known as universality. In other words, the genetic code is universal. This property was proved by Merrill, Hershey and Chase. Let us consider the example of amoeba. The amino acid coded in amoeba, same amino acid can be coded in human being also. The codon like UUU codes for phenylalanine and GUG codes for valine in all organisms from amoeba to human, that is from smallest organism to largest or highly evolved organism. Thus the genetic code is universal. Next, genetic code is commaless. The genetic code is commaless, which means no codon is added as a comma. Each triplet codon in mRNA is not separated by comma or spacer. The genetic code is always remains uninterrupted from one end of mRNA strand to other end. The triplet codons are read continuously one after another without any interruption of bases, that is, it is continuous and commaless. Next, genetic code is unambiguous. There is no ambiguity in genetic code. Each triplet codon is code for a specific amino acid. They codes the same amino acid at all the times. For example, UUU produces amino acid phenylalanine. This codon cannot code for any other amino acid under natural condition, but in presence of antibiotic streptomycin, UUU may codes for amino acid like leucine and serine. Thus, when codon codes for more than one amino acid, such property of genetic code is called as ambiguity. But in natural condition, ambiguity is never occur, that is, it remains non-ambiguous. Next, genetic code is non-overlapping. It has been experimentally proved that by Crick and Yunus, the genetic code is non-overlapping. Each base triplet is an independent unit. Such codons are known as non-overlapping code or continuous code. In non-overlapping codes, the 6 base would code for 2 amino acids. Here the same base is not used in more than one codon. Thus the overlapping code is not existing. Let us consider codon AUG and CGU are present on mRNA. Both are non-overlapping codon and codes 2 amino acid because they are non-overlapped by one another. If AUG and CGU codons show overlapping like AUG, UGC, GCG, CGU, total 4 amino acids are coded, which is not happen actually. Thus, genetic code is non-overlapping. Next, genetic code is degenerate. Though there are 64 codons, out of that 61 codons have been shown to code 20 different amino acids in the cell. It is obvious that number of triplet codon are more than number of amino acid. It means that more than one triplet codon codes only one amino acid. When one amino acid coded by more than one triplet codon, each property of genetic code is called as degeneracy of genetic code, and such codon are called as degenerate codon. For example, amino acid phenylalanine coded by two degenerate codon UUU and UUC. In most of the cases, one amino acid has degenerate codon. The first and second base in the codon are common, while third base is different. For example, in codon AUU, AUC and AUA, the third base, that is U, C and A, are different, while first and second bases are similar in all codon, and all three codon codes for isoleucine. In second example, codon UUU and UUC have first and second similar base, that is UU, while third base is different in both codon, that is U and C. Both codon codes for phenylalanine. In third example, codon UUA and UUG code for leucine. Both codon have first and second base similar, that is UU, while third base is different, that is A and G. In last example, codon CCU, CCC, CCA, CCG code for proline. All codons possess first and second similar base, while third base is different in all codons, that is U, C, A, G. The third base differ in degenerate codon called as degenerate base or wobble base. Next, genetic code has polarity. The genetic code has polarity, that is, the code is always read in a fixed direction, which is 5' to 3' direction. Next, some codes act as stop codon. There are 3 stop codon in the genetic code UAG, UAA and UGA. These codons signal the end of the polypeptide chain during translation. These codons are also known as nonsense codon or termination codon, as they do not code for any amino acid. Next, some codes act as initiation codon. There are 3 initiation codon in the genetic code AUG, GUG and UUG. The codon AUG is called the start codon as it the first codon in the transcribed mRNA that undergoes translation. AUG is the most common start codon and it codes for the amino acid methionine in eukaryote and formylmethionine in prokaryote. During protein synthesis, the tRNA recognizes the start codon AUG with the help of some initiation factor and starts translocation of mRNA. Some alternative start codon are found in both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Alternate codons usually code for amino acid other than methionine, but when they act as a start codon, they code for methionine due to the use of a separate initiator tRNA. Thank you.